Ketengsi Karbi Risonim Sorong aje Akardom Pajeriglo Kardom Aho Belitung Karbi Akai Jutang Jubat Elamiki Lapente Porom Buti Keplang Bami Akai Asi Ilitum Akai Bangya Kai Barimbu Ilitum Dakachi Pulonglo Zipenongwi Jothom Nitom Kecho Ilitum Kapre Gachipati Ason Ilitum Tekononglo Lasinon Labangso Chatai Lu Senso Sing Tia Chatai Langstami Ilitum Miss KYF ka Tekonlongpo Kachipati Lapen Kapre Ladak Lun Kan Ilitum Tekonlongji Lasini Liapor Elo Adu Kawi Labangso Kachipati Amailong Nangitum Ning Interior Pen Lapen ke Ning Arong Cipidung Bogusi Anutin Abang Putina Pandabe Nilihin Benchone Vitikaylo Lapen ke Pening Abang ke Penaparnisi Lo Posi Ilitum Penongwe Lapen Penaparnisi Ilitum Ning Arong Cipilona Asi Nili Kadu Kawi Handa Putot Ning Aklong Ben Suri Suri Kardom Pajursi Anam Parolong Hirjume Hansi Inongwe Labangso Miss KYF Ningkan Suri ini Rai Parapo Nilihin Penikupo Lupu Pandap Panilo Kardom
Members of Jaki Song to felicitate our judges, our beloved Mr. Vision Crew. And also we would like to request our judge, Mr. Shimanga Keshav, Director Miss Assam Organization, Telenhan Squad for Femina Miss India Organization, to please join me onto the stage. He is a prominent figure. He is also a very well-known kind like her career orientation. Itum ke Ireland and Pulukante Kusonsi Piltilom Kiring Nima, Itana Banku, Upansi Litumke Kudampo, Alangli Ilitum along Kopai Militum Lona Sitono, Selangi Pan Puhui Pakan, Karchui Pansili, January Pampo. And then Hilitum Long, Judge Akai Pido Tulan, like Akum Naro Imsong, La Selangi Pansame, Stage for Anki Pansi January Pampo, Alangli former Miss Nagaland 2026, former Mega Miss Northeast First Runner-Up 2028, co-director Miss Assam Organization, State Director of Miss Universe Assam, former Miss Nagaland 2006, Mega Miss Northeast First Runner-Up 2008. Thank you. Alalitum judges any words for our beloved audience?
Kardom Karbi Anglong. I hope I pronounce it correct, right? Extraordinary. I have been to many festivals all across Northeast, but I have never seen a crowd like this mammoth crowd. Can we have a round of applause for yourself to come in this number and encourage? You know, it's a big deal. My name is, as I said, the lovely judge have already introduced me. I don't have to introduce myself anymore, but then just a short introduction. It's Shamanga Kashyap. I am the director of Miss Assam Organization and the talent scout for Miss India Organization. And I'm really excited to be here in this majestic festival, which is, I can proudly say, the oldest ethnic festival of India. I mean, I have no words, and I'm so excited to be a part of it. I would like to thank, I have just written it down so that I don't mispronounce the name. I would like to thank KCS for inviting us as one of the judge, even thought of us to be a part of this big event, and Jakwe Asong, the organizers, for organizing such a beautiful, beauty pageant. It takes a lot, as an organizer myself, it takes a lot of good intention, a lot of hard work, behind organizing a beauty pageant of this magnitude. Thank you so much, Karbi Anglong. It's been 48 hours, and in Karbi Anglong, the food, people, hospitality, hats off to you. Thank you so much, and let's enjoy the show tonight. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Just one word.
Kardong Karbi Anglong. It is such a privilege to be here. I want to thank the organization for having me. I am, freezing right now, but my heart is warm because of the love and the support. I am so very excited to see so many people here tonight, and I am sure we're going to have a fantastic show. So thank you all so much. Let's keep rocking.
Thank you, ma'am. Sir.
Ladung ke arang lo lam ni je lo pon ni ke aleng lam ta sin je ro ko kasi kin je oi thang la bilo lang lo na pining dak pen kai to man ke most probably I think you will be selecting for the Miss Assam top 20, right? As Miss, yeah, as top 20 long direct entry long for Norway kai bang ke asi to man ke Brita ke melo la ben to dak ni je po to mane to la po nai ma ho mala nahi nahi ma nang ne nang ni ma ho nang pi po de
Lang li pan litum condolence species na. One of the most hardworking member of the Jakwe Song, who passed away on the January 7, 2025, who had been there since the very first edition of Miss KYF, who was there in the 10th edition. So he passed away on January 7, 2025. So in his name, we would like to pay a condolence for a minute. We'll pray that his soul rest in peace. Chutting, Pulusong. Let's hear the very beloved Visions. Album Panglang PCU ni Irfan itu. Maju ke sana.
I am in love with you. Love you more. It is a privilege. I am so honored to be here. আপোনালোকে ইমান মৰম দিছে, ইমান ধুনীয়াকৈ আমাক আঁকোৱালি লৈছে, ইমান ধুনীয়াকৈ ৰাখিছে, সেইবাবে মই ধন্যবাদ জনাইছোঁ আৰু আশা কৰোঁ আকৌ আহিব পাম, আকৌ এয়া মৰম আমি পাম আৰু সেয়াই let's see who our Miss KYF 2025 will be. I am so excited. Thank you.
Nalitum kaduka vepan, nilihin pening kang sama kardom perjiglo, kardom. Niliping arong pikan, pinata alang itumampong karjab dolong po. Atiki, it is all because of your love that I'm standing here. The amount of love, the support that I get from my people is unconditional. And I'm so happy for it. And I'm also, I feel so proud because today, along with me, I have my organization, my Mrs. South family here in my land. And I'm so very happy to be the host. Thank you so much.
Kardon Karbiang Long. Mesin lang ma. Neta Miseng. I am so honored to be here. Every one of you, we are loving to have you here, and thank you for coming to see the Miss KYF 2025. I also thank Miss KYF and KCS for having us here. We are so far loving Karbi Anglong and we are super excited. Thank you so much and all the best to all the contestants there. Thank you so much.
Oh my God!
Thank you so much. I would like to request our members of Zagaya Song to please felicitate our very beautiful pigeons. Sani or ay nang tunega. Asik frequency. Richard ni nang tunge Hangzhou di chole. So come on, please put your hands together. RC ke main acting area. Nanti aku pasti lagi lo cari kau ni itu. Asik, please. Okay, that's the spirit. Hand for the Kalau kau cuhut angge, please put your hands together for them, please, everyone. Yes. Angsong itu tuh kan, angsong itu pun cuma kamu. Sini angsong itu ini tu. Okay, come on. Thank you. Upaya ni lang itu mana si kong. Lalu tu nanti li, kau taram pun tu. Semua is an introduction round. So every beauty pageants are coming in front. As they come, they will introduce themselves. So I would like to request assistant sound engineers to please put a mic so that they can introduce themselves in front of all the audience. And yes, of course, to our very respected judges.
Respected judges, and also welcome to our KYF. And good evening to one and all presents here tonight. I am your contestant number 1, and my name is Mirdan Kramsapi. And I am from Manja itself. Talking about my hobbies, then my hobbies are singing, cooking, as well as spending time with the small children. And talking about my aim in life, then my aim in life is to become independent woman, to need to serve my country, to make proud to my parents. And also, I strongly believe that a beauty pageant, it is for every girl with any ambition. And the mostly and strongly and truly, I believe that if we want to participate in the platform of pageantry, then we don't need to have a beauty face. The most important thing is that we need to be beautiful from inside. That's what makes us a truly beauty in the world. That's all. Thank you so much. Have a grateful evening to you all.
Okay, so that was contestant number 1. Let me please call on to the stage contestant number 2. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please put your hands together for contestant number 2.
Pardon? Namaskar. Good evening, honorable judges, and to everyone present here. I am Anjali Hassansa, your contestant number 1 from Manja. Currently pursuing my higher secondary education at Don Bosco College. As a vibrant and ambitious individual, I love anything related to fashion. Talking about my hobbies, I love gardening and I love listening to music. I truly believe that my mission is to show the world that magic happens when we refuse to give up. Thank you and have a wonderful evening to you all.
Hello, check. Play the music. And that's contestant number 2. And then please welcome to the stage. Let's look up to contestant number 3.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm contestant number 3
together. Contestant number 4.
Kardom tara langsung. A very good evening to one and all present here and respected judges. I'm Nirmili Durangpi, your contestant number 4, proudly representing Singhasan, and my hobbies include singing, traveling, listening music, and crochet as well. And I have a passion for acquiring new knowledge and skills, and I consider myself as a hardworking and talented individual. Thank you so much.
Please welcome contestant number 5.
Cardo, a very good evening to all the respected judges and everyone present here. My name is Sapna Hansapi, carrying the badge of contestant number 5. Currently pursuing my higher secondary from Union Christian English School, Difu. A proud representative of Difu, and my aim in life is to earn money and have a settled life with my parents. Because in the end, we all are living here to lead a peaceful life. Last but not the least, I want to convey a message that fake until you make it. Fake until you make it. Even if you are nervous or not confident, don't show it to others until you make it to your aims. Thank you.
Thank you. Put your hands together for Unification number 6.
Kardom Jutai Namaskar. A very pleasant evening to our beautiful guests, our respected judges, and everyone present here tonight. My name is Kuspairina Bensa, which means serenity of peace. I come from a very beautiful place, Krakow. I am a contestant number 6. I am currently pursuing my bachelor's degree at Kesidas Commerce College. My hobbies are reading novels and writing poems. My father has always taught me to be kind and respect everyone no matter who they are and where they come from. I believe beauty is more about making difference and standing up for people who can't do it themselves. So here I stand in front of you to embody empowerment and inspire change. Tonight, I'm wearing this beautiful hand-woven attire, pesalang, and traditional accessories which showcase the beauty, the love, and hard work talent of the Harbi community. Thank you.
Up next, let us welcome Unification number 7.
Kardom, and good evening to all the esteemed judges, honored guests, and the cherished audience members of Taralangso. I am Romalin Pangjopi, a 22 years old, hailing from the beautiful place called Chukehala. pursuing my Bachelor's of Arts at Difu Girls College. I believe that a true beauty is more than appearance, and it is about a confidence, a resilience, and to uplift others from the difficulties. And I think this is what I'm standing here today. My motto is to empower women out there to the remote area. And thank you for having me here. I am Romalin Pangtupi, contestant number 7. Thank you. A very good evening to respected judges and one and all present here. I am your contestant number 8, Malin Cheronpi from Wulang Committee. My hobbies are traveling, cooking, listening music, and I love singing as well. And my aim in life is to become an independent woman. Tonight I'm here not to just win a crown, but to achieve the most powerful dreams of my life. Thank you. First of all, I would like to say good evening to our respected judges, respected sir, ma'am, esteemed guests, and to each and every valuable people who is present here in this prestigious event celebration of Miss KYF. And also, I would like to thank to the organizer of Miss KYF 2025, Bajang Deso NGO. And I'm thrilled to welcome in our grand celebration of the oldest ethnic festival of our Karbi Anglo, that is our Karbi Youth Festival, the 51st celebration in this present year. Including more, I'm your contestant number 9. My name is Caroline Tipi, and I came from a place called Hanggapiso, or even it is also known as Sarhajan. I'm pursuing my education, Bachelor of Arts of 4th semester at the Rajroy College, Golaghat. My hobbies are singing, listening music, and of course cooking. And my aim in life is to become a professional teacher. So thank you so much once again for giving me the privilege to introduce myself as being a contestant. I hope each and every one of the person who is present here will enjoy the night festivities. Until then, take care. Pardon.
Thank you. That was contestant number 10.
Judges, guests, and everyone present here. I am Kim Sorohampi, contestant number 10. I live in Difu and I'm currently pursuing my BCom second semester in Difu Government College. I love exploring beauty in everything like dressing up, going for a walk, and exploring nature. Kardong!
Thank you. Up next, division number 11.
Life has meaning only if you do what is meaningful to you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon to the honorable judges. It's an honor and a pride for me to be standing here tonight. My name is Pirbi Terangpi, and I'm a contestant for President. Today I'm standing here to gain faith in my Lord and myself to follow my heart and dare to accomplish my dreams. And I truly believe that if we really work hard, with all our hearts, with full of determination, dedication, and with devotions, sincerely, miracles could happen in my life. And my strength of hard work come from seeing my parents. They are my biggest source of inspiration in my life. And with this faith and inspiration, I also want to encourage the walls to dare the dreams to achieve. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Up next, contestant number 12.
Welcoming you all to the vibrant news chart of our 51st Karbi Youth Festival, celebrating 51 years of our rich culture, tradition, and unity. My name is Tina Taranpi, contestant number 12 from Langkambong, Singhaton. My age is 19 years old, currently pursuing my BSc studies at Default Government College. Talking about my hobbies, I love dancing, singing, and at my free time, I love doing household chores. Standing here at the stage of Miss KYF, I am privileged that I'm here representing my culture and roots. And lastly, one short message to everyone present here. Getting goals is the turning point of doing your best and best. Thank you and have a great evening ahead. Kardom! A very good evening to respected judges, guests, and all the ladies and gentlemen present here. My name is Shanshile Himberengma. I'm carrying the badge of contestant number 13. I belong from a very beautiful and immense place which is rich in the culture, that is Difu Karbi Anglong. My aim is to empower women and young girls through education and mentorship. As a beauty queen, I want to use my platform to promote self-confidence, self-love, and self-defense. My hobby includes playing basketball, judo, yoga, dancing, and sometimes doing DIY fashions. But last but not the least, the motto of my journey is Keren ke hai ke ekai long ki dopo. Sita ke nang sot ke ning ke hangasai ke klem mate ke papleng. Which means life is all about winning or losing. But the thing which matters the most is the thing which matters the is learning from your experience and mistakes which you made. With this, I would like to conclude my introduction. Thank you.
Up next we have contestant number 14.
Good evening to respected judges and good evening to present over. Good evening to everyone present over here. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Miss KYF 2025, where beauty and elegance take center stage. My name is Rose Teron B, contestant number 14. I came from a very beautiful place called Handalanso. Currently, I'm pursuing my Bachelor of Arts from Pranav Jubilee College. My aim in life is to be a great teacher. I would love to teach people who is in need of great knowledge. Before ending my introduction, I would like to say a quote. Beauty is not in the outside, but beauty is a light in the heart. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Starting with our juries and to all the lovely audience. My name is Arjuna Krobi, your contestant number 15, coming all the way from Dongmukan. I'm currently pursuing my Bachelor of Arts from the Department of History at the Full Government College. There is a code which says that the future belongs to the people who believe in the beauty of their dreams, and so do I. I believe that dream is the first step to everything. And as the quote goes, the only thing standing before you and your goal is the story you tell yourself that you can't achieve it. Yesterday, I dreamed of it, and today, I'm here to tell myself that I can do it. Thank you.
Thank you. And then the contestant number 15. Last but not the least, contesting for the crown of Miss KYF 2005. Our last contestant number 16.
Good evening, respected judges and one and all present over here. My name is Alicia Tisopi. I am your contestant number 16. Currently, I am pursuing FIUG 4th semester at Rangsna College, Dongkamugam. I am from a very beautiful place called Kirby Rangsopi, West Kirby Anglong. Talking about my hobbies are singing, dancing, and traveling. My aim in life is to become a teacher, as now I'm following my passion. The last but not at least, I would like to inspire the youth is that always stand up for yourself. A winner is a dreamer who never give up. Fight for yourself even when no one else believes in you. Thank you. Have a joyful evening ahead.
Miss Korea 2025. Harapan kat sini. Second round malam berarti labang so angkung datang. Api angkung long itu tujuh lagi. Bang krit rock among pen. Bang kiat benci. Lasi bang rock bang ke. Labang so round pensi berarti labang so angkung pensi sang pon po. Nong make ban patel ke naman itong kabiang nong hapan pasitang ilitong India ang kang pilong alang li MTV Rodi along a contestant. She is a lovely sister Reng Saji Tikilimpi, who is a Rodi contestant who had brought name and fame to our Kabi society.
What is up, Mr. Fred?
I would like to request my sister to share her experience onto the MTV Rodi.
Kadang kadang kawita. Nang tuman charong tuong ma, ni ko pisikan ng chain ni tani ni nga medalo. But, Kichengsi, I would really like to thank Jakwe Song NGO, Ladak ng Hip-Hopot, Lapen Ladak ni Kanla congratulations ng people, felicitation. So, I really thank you all for giving me this platform. And laan, apunit, ateng no karjo pelang kaning JK, obviously, nita confused lo. But, again, nang itong kadok kami apanta, thank you so much ni pan laan kang hon ng people. But laan sakit gordi matidi. So I would like to go down. Thank you so much again. Thank you so much, Jagwe Song. I really love you all. Please keep supporting me. I love you all. Lapit kar. Aleng apan amen. Ang song aru ki poni phante hodai ta try bom po lapen ni pangcheng mo la pini peseleng ka si ibanjo lang salama. Thank you so much once again. Thank you so much for giving me this much love. I don't know how I deserve it, but love you all.
Contestant number 5. number 7. Descent number 9. Region number 11. Region number 12. Region number 14. Region number 15. And of course, 16. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, presenting top 10 of Miss KYF 2025. As it is a cocktail designer round, I would like to request designer of the second round, Miss Jyoti Baby, to please come up the stage. And also would like to request members of the Exactly a Song to do the elimination round. We'll have a cushion, and obviously I would like to request members of the Exactly a Song to bring the sheets of cushion, a tray of yes, of course. Every contestant will have the chance to pick the questions, according to which the pigeons will reply. There'll be a gamble. We'll start from from your left, from my right, contestant number 3. So pick the cheat. If required, I can read the question. Kihum labang so a question. If you are too short for a magazine cover page, you're a public figure, who would that be and why? So that was the question. Arleng Penjong si translate Nang jong si konan ne shoot long dun lo batangte for a cover magazine pan politangte. Lamang so a public figure, who would you like to be? Who would that be and why? Koma pansi jong pansi bate upi podlo. Kasi answer jong si idami politangte ateng no antaling no.
Thank you so much for a question, sir. If I were given a chance to shoot for a magazine as a public figure, I would like to choose the Indian richest man, Mukesh Ambani. Because he inspired me through his hard work and achievement. And he also motivates people with his hard work. And I would like to share a powerful message with them. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Contestant, that was contestant number 3. Beauty pigeon number 5, please come forward as you pick the cheek of the patient. I wouldn't mind if I'm allowed to read the question, and if you can, then please read it out.
You're standing in front of a mirror and your age is 15. What would you would like to say or advise to that 15-year-old girl. If I'm standing in front of the mirror at the age of 15, I would tell myself to believe on myself and don't try to copy others. Because we are beautiful just the way we are. We don't need to copy another to feel better for our own self. Thank you.
So that was contestant number 5. Next, I would like to call on contestant number 6, please. You may fix your function.
What type of folk song is sung during the Chongkang Festival? The type of folk song sung during the Chongkang Festival is Kapa, Air, Kachapre, and Kumuri. Chongkang is a very spiritual ritual done by the Karbis, which is followed by the ancestral time. And we probably sing this song which our ancestors has taught us since very. Thank you.
Thank you. So that was contestant number 6. Next, contestant number 7. Please come forward.
Your forehead is so big.
So the question for me is, why is education important? I think education is important for each and every individual out there, because I think education is not only the formal theory that we have on our textbooks, that we read in our institutions. I think education starts from home, because where our fathers or our parents have teach us how to be graceful, how to be grateful for what we have and what we are going to dream of. Actually, education is not only help us in achieving of our good career, but it also helps in our personality growth and how to be giving a charity to the others nearby us. And I think education must apply on each and every remote area out there. And I think if we apply education in each and every remote places of our Karbi Anglong, just like in my places, the Nilip constituency, we all knows that we have not much good into the education system, because we have seen that many children out there have not got the privilege to study to the institutions, and I think we should make an impact on that. So yes, education must apply to each and every individuals out there, mostly to the young children out there. Thank you.
Thank you. So that was contestant number 7. Up next, patient number 9. Please come forward.
First of all, thank you so much. My question I have brought there, what are the different type of Karbi drum? Then at least 5, and what are they made out of? So my answer about this is that number 1, Cheng Pi, number 2, Cheng So, number 3, Cheng Bru, number 4, Cheng Pai Lo, number 5, Cheng Kumba. And also they are all made up of bamboo and seasoned wood and also steel. So thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to answer. Thank you.
Next, prison number 11. Please come forward.
Today I got the questions of what the problems do you see in the current scenario in Karbi Anglong and how would you solve them? The problems I have seen in the Karbi Anglong is that there is lack of infrastructures and development, especially in the remote areas. Because in the remote areas, there is no proper facilities of hospitals, there is no proper facilities of electrics, and also there is no proper drinking waters. And also there is no proper roads and infrastructures going on in the remote areas. And also I would like to say that there is no proper schools and colleges where the students can study and pursue their goals. And what I would like to say to the Karbi Anglong government is that to take initiative and to mobilize the steps in order to uplift the poor and the downtrodden, to know their true potentials and to uplift and to mold their personality into a better way. So in this way the walls can change into a better place to live in, and Karbi Anglong can be a brighter and a futures generations to grow more and development to see in the future. Thank you so much.
So that was contestant number 11. Up next, contestant number 12. Please come forward.
I got the question of how important it is to look beautiful and all the time, or is it important to look beautiful all the time? So my answer to that will be, it is not important to look beautiful all the time. Being beautiful does not mean that you have to be physically beautiful. It means how you have to be from the inside. How you have, it means how you pity on others. If you have beautiful heart, then beautiful face and beautiful body, it is only temporary. So I would be saying that it is not important to look beautiful, but you rather be beautiful from your heart. Thank you.
Thank you so much for contestant number 12. Next, contestant number 14.
Okay, well, my question is, can money buy happiness? Well,
for that question is, I think money can buy happiness because if someone gets ill, then you will get sad. If your loved ones get ill, you will get sad. Is it true or not? Yes. So, in order to treat your loved ones, to give good health to your loved ones, you need money to give good things to your loved ones. Then only you will have a happy life. So that's why you need money to have a happiness life. Thank you.
Up next, prison number 15. Please come forward.
Just graduated from
Latina.
So I have got the question of what does it mean to be a woman? I would say that to be a woman means to be a pillar. The women should know the responsibility they must take in their house. And the women should know about their culture and their happiness, and also to be beautiful in their heart. A woman should be beautiful inside out. A beautiful woman can only be considered who can take responsibility and also to have a good heart, to be confident, and also to have a nice heart. You should be kind-hearted with others. If you're not kind to them, people will approach you, and if you're not kind to them, people will make you feel low, people will make you down. So, in order to be confident, in order to be a good woman, you should have that qualities. Lastly, I would like to say, all the young women who aspire to fulfill their dreams, please do not give up, keep on trying. Your past mistakes can make you feel more confident. Learn from your failures. Thank you.
Thank you. Up next, prison number 16.
This is history and I'm making only one break cross range that feeling. If it goes a million, that's strange. Me, I just
My question is, what is Ritnang Chingdi? Ritnang Chingdi is a traditional dance performance by Karbi. It's danced by youth when they agriculture followed by sowing seeds. Thank you.